What is the difference between the words khibra and tajruba? They are both translated as experience. Khibra refers to the knowledge or skill that a person has in a particular field or area of expertise. هو دكتور عنده خبرة كبيرة. He's a doctor who has a lot of experience. Tajruba, on the other hand, refers to a special thing or event that happens in a person's life. زيارتي للبحرين كانت تجربة كويسة بالنسبة لي. My visit to Bahrain was a good experience for me. This is the short answer, but I explained this in great detail in Arabic as part of my Verses series. This is a series that I'm doing for my supporters on Patreon. All videos of this series come with English and Arabic subtitles as well as a worksheet to help you practice.